Hey there! If you're in the construction industry, you know that wallboard production is a big deal. But have you ever wondered how they make those perfect gypsum boards? Well, today we're diving into the game-changing technology of gypsum roller mills. These powerful machines are designed specifically for wallboard production. They crush and grind raw gypsum into a fine powder with incredible precision. The rollers apply consistent pressure, ensuring uniform particle size every single time. This consistency is crucial for creating high-quality wallboards. What makes roller mills so special? First, they're incredibly efficient. They use less energy compared to traditional grinding methods, which saves you money on operational costs. Second, they produce minimal dust and noise, creating a safer working environment for your team. And third, they're built to last with minimal maintenance requirements. Imagine boosting your production output while maintaining top-notch quality. That's exactly what a gypsum roller mill delivers. Whether you're producing standard drywall or specialized fire-resistant boards, this technology ensures your products meet the highest industry standards. But it's not just about the machinery. It's about transforming your entire manufacturing process. With precise control over the grinding process, you can customize the gypsum powder to suit different wallboard specifications. This flexibility allows you to expand your product line and cater to diverse market needs. Think about the long-term benefits. Reduced energy consumption means lower carbon footprint. Consistent quality means fewer customer complaints and returns. An increased production capacity means you can take on bigger projects without compromising on deadlines. Many manufacturers have already made the switch and are seeing remarkable results. One company reported a 30% increase in production efficiency after installing a gypsum roller mill. Another saw their energy costs drop by nearly 25% within the first year of operation. The bottom line? If you're serious about staying competitive in the wallboard industry, upgrading to roller mill technology isn't just an option, it's a necessity. It's an investment that pays for itself through improved efficiency, better quality control, and reduced operational costs. Ready to take your wallboard production to the next level? Start exploring gypsum roller mill options today. Look for manufacturers with proven track records and excellent customer support. Don't forget to consider factors like capacity requirements, space constraints, and future expansion plans. Remember, in today's fast-paced construction world, staying ahead means embracing innovation. The gypsum roller mill isn't just another piece of equipment. It's your key to unlocking greater productivity and profitability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.